Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk upload products on Shopify using CSV files. So the process is going to be very simple. We're going to get an example from Shopify as CSVs and how they work, and also how we can get the formula correct, and also how to upload the products. So we are going to head over our Shopify admin dashboard. So from here, we are going to head over the products. So the process to sign in or get a Shopify product or a Shopify store in general is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to get a free trial, and also if you are going to continue within the trial, you can get a free plan or the monthly plan of $1 till 3 months of your Shopify use. So we are going to head over the products, and then we are going to download the CSV example. Here we are going to see that we have the export button, the import button, and etc. Now I'm going to click on import, and here we have the case that we are going to add the CSV file to it. But before that, I'm going to click on download the sample CSV, and here I have it opened into a Google spreadsheet. I'm going to present for you this specific sheet. So we are going to have here some of the examples, or this specific example that Shopify have or has gave us to learn from. So we have the labels at the top. As you can see, we have handle, title, body, vendor, product category, type, tags, and etc. I'm not going to name them all. And we are going to focus on some of the specific products, because we can add some of the features or of some of the details from here on this specific sheet, and some of them could not be added, like the images. So for the images, we need some internal Shopify links, and these are going to be another story. Now I'm going to talk about the handle, title, body, vendor, etc. These are going to be the labels that we should not remove or modify. These are going to be fixed. The things that could be modified or used in here are going to be the names or the cases that are under the specific labels. For example, here, as you can see, we have some the title and the handles. The handles are going to be the URLs or the slugs for the pages. How is that page is going to be named? For example, yourstore.shopify.com, for example, slash product slash the product name, for example, t-shirt, or let's say here, summer dash t-shirt. So you are going simply to put the example or the handle as like this. So you are going to put, for example, for this handle, I'm going to have here summer. For example, not going to use the capital letters or the not the capital letters, but the uppercase letters. So we're going to type in summer t-shirt, just like that. And for example, for the title, we are going to be free to choose the title. For example, summer t-shirt, just like that. And here we have it. Now for the body, which is going to be the HTML in here, it is going to have the value of the specific description. So you can add a description into this specific area, and then you are going to have it right away. The vendor is going to be your store name. For example, here we have the ACME. So we are going to type in the store name of ours. So Tyson, for example, store. And the product and categories, we are going to put here the product and categories. So in this case, you can go ahead and modify it. So we have apparel and accessories, and it is going to be under the clothing category. You can have here the type of the product and some tags if you are going to put some labels into that product. Published, it is going to be, for example, here true or false, and that is going to be if you're going to publish that product or let it hidden. If you are not going to put it true, or it is not going to be filled, it is going to be considered as the product is going to be only a draft. So for the option one name, you're going to give here some options or some variants for that specific, uh, let's say, product, and then you are going to add it. This is not going to be something that we are going to mess with, because we cannot predict the consequence of that onto the uploading of the CSV because maybe it is going to read it wrong. So we are going to let these, as you can see, option values empty, and maybe we are going to add some colors if we want, or some, let's say here, sizes. But in here, I'm going to let you see, we can add the variant SKUs, variant grams, like you can see here, the inventory and the fulfillment. You are going to put it manually, and the variant inventory, you're going to put it as deny, for example. We have the variant price or the price unit of each one of the products, and the variant comparison price for the marketing purposes, as you can see. The variant requires requirement, as you can see, shipping. Yes, we are going to put some of these. And the image source, I highly recommend for you to use your Shopify store media, as you can see from here. So we are going to head over the homepage. Then we are going to head over the content. And from here, we're going to add the files. And here you are going to upload your images. So then you are going to link them later. For the image position and everything in here, you're going to set it up, as you can see, manually. So everything aside from the first, as you can see here, cases that I have showed you, are going to be a plus and also are going to be added as samples. So let's say that we are going to add this specific area. So I'm going to delete all of the other specific products. I'm going to have here something added. I'm going to delete these, or we are going to let them as it is. So we have no added products. So I'm going to put here some titles like here, shirt, for example, example one. I'm going to put here this name. Example two, we are not going to have something else. So shirt, pant, pants, or pant. I don't know. We are going to put them like this. So we're going to get this. We are going to download it as a CSV. And then we are going to have it installed. So now I'm going to head over the products, add product, not add product, but we are going to import products. And then we are going to drag and drop our file in here. Click on upload and preview, and you're going to wait for the data to be extracted from here. So we are going to click on import products. Normally, it is going to import the products just right away. Basically, that was everything for the importing bulk CSS files, and we have successfully added the data or the products, and here they are. If you are going to put some more options to the products, you can go ahead and add the variants from here. It will give you the option to it and also the prices and etc. Also for the media. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.